Hey again, Nick Merrill here to share more of what's new in Verisurf 2021. New Verisurf 2021 better connects interdepartmental QA processes by providing consistent and professional display across applications while staying current with ASME and ISO standards. While working in Verisurf Automate, Report Manager, and Measure, users can set up GD&T feature control frames using the new Feature Control Frame Builder available on all reportable objects. Create consistent reporting and display to present information as they are on the drawing. Let me show you. Let's take an example here where I've got these 8 circles and we want to take and display their feature control frames. So we're going to go ahead and toggle our Details pane, and we're going to go ahead and activate our Feature Control Frame Builder. And here we'll go ahead and choose, this is going to be position, diameter, with a 10,000ths tolerance zone, relative to datums A, datum B, and datum C. Now, as soon as I hit OK, that also shows up inside each one of those balloons. So now we'll go ahead and take and create a report. And while these are there, let's go ahead and take a screenshot, add that to our report. And when we report these out, you'll actually see those balloons carry through. We've got the feature control frame there to help communicate those results and make it very easy on the recipient of this report. Feature control frames, as you saw, can be displayed in the feature balloons as well as reports from PDF, HTML, and Excel. Check out all of the new Verisurf 2021 features and see the difference for yourself. If you like our videos, hit subscribe and get notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.